Tignan mo, nagko-color na naman dito. Ito yung eco-color. Go. Number 6 and then number 8. Go. Yung 8. Color mo ng brown. Go. Tignan mo si Lord Lawrence, oh. Kompleto na niya. Okay. I will score this one 8 over 10 lang. 8 over 10 lang. Hindi mo tinatapos. Go, tapusin. Yung 6 tsaka... Go. Yung 6 tsaka 8, wag mong i-skip. I-color mo din, okay? Rory?
Yes.
Yes, teacher. Go, ikaw rin, Lawrence. Lord. Okay, 6 and then 8. Go, Rory. Balikan mo.
What so good?
Any color yan, kahit anong kulay. Okay. Gawin. Ang topic today ay pagbilang 1 hanggang 10. Ayaw niya yung video. Pinapa-close niya. Kung di niya ipapa-close, papatay niya yung volume. Lesson niya. Pero following naman sila. Pag independent counting, sometimes ayaw niya, kinakat niya. O mamimili lang siya ng numbers na sasabihin. Next. Go next na. What's the next number? Ano yung susunod na number? Number?
6.
6. Saan yung 6? Next.
7.
Next.
8.
Next. Bilangin mo nga. Tulungan kita. 1, 2. Ilan kayo ngayon? Ilan kayo ngayon, Rory? Ilan kayo magkaklase? Ilan kayo magkaklase? Rory, ilan kayo magkaklase? 2 po. 2 po. Go, Rory.
Do you like to get?
House and car.
House and car. Talaga naman. Bahay at lupa. Ha? Sino si? So may pera yun. May pera yung Gcash ko. House and car. Okay. Then you're going to tell me what to get, okay? Oh, help mo nyo na si Juliana.
I wanna wait.
What?
I wanna wait.
What?
I wanna wait.
You wanna wait? Okay. Sige. Sabi ko, help nyo na si Juliana. Sabi niya, I wanna wait. Okay, next.
Hindi ko alam kung gagawin. Wednesday, punta ako ng party ko.
Kanina na we had finger counting review and addition by counting fingers. Next na pinapagawa sa kanya ay ito. Okay? How do you... What's the name of this one?
Bear.
What are the letters that makes the word bear? Ano yung mga letters to make the word bear? B, E, A.
This one.
Why did you remove in the blue? It's supposed to be in the blue. Allah ka dyan. You fix that. Oh, dapat sa green. Allah, dapat sa green, dapat sa blue. Put in the green.
Where's the other go? Where's the green's going? It's Chingaloo. Ice cream. Chingaloo.
Chingaloo? What's for?
The first game. Ugly, Dada put yellow, na yellow box. Who's not here?
Yeah, do not shout.
Why who's not the police, Dada? It's spaghetti is yellow and blue.
Lord, what are we going to get?
Toilet.
Ah?
A toilet.
Toilet and yucks. Gusto mo yung toilet. What's that? You put the toilet in your wee-wee? Yung wee-wee? Yung pupo. Yung pupo.
Toilet.
Yes. Oh, so you wash your hands. You wash your hands, after you go to the toilet.
And a key.
Okay. Oh, you put it here.
Go. Ano yung name niya? Ano name niya?
R.
Okay, next. Ito naman. What's that? Go mag-answer ka dun.
Date.
What's the date today? Today is April 29, 2025.
No, eraser.
Eraser. Hindi na kasama yung today.
Rory.
Cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream
And one more. Ice cream and
bicycle.
ice cream and
Bicycle.
bicycle. Okay, ice cream and bicycle daw.
I need the ice cream cone.
Are you going to eat your ice cream while you ride the bicycle?
Yeah.
You're going to eat the ice cream? What will you do with the ice cream? Eat ice cream. What are you gonna do with the bicycle?
I eat the ice cream and bicycle.
Ah! You're gonna eat the bicycle? No. Oh, Lord. What are we going to get? Sit down properly.
A hat.
A hat and
A car.
a guitar. I got it.
You done. I got it.
Ang gagawin ko?
Me.
What will I do? Ikaw mag-i-spell. Wala ka. What's the spelling of knee? Do you know the spelling of knee?
Me.
Ito, pag nilagyan natin ng CH dito sa EE, magiging chi. Pag nilagyan natin ng PH, magiging fi. Pag TH, magiging
Rory, what are we going to get? Rory, what are you going to get?
This one.
Frog and cat.
Frog and cat. Asan na yung frog?
Where's my cat?
Frog and cat. Where's the cat? I got it.
I got it.
Very good. Will you sit down? So, Juliana, did you get it? Frog and cat. Is that a cat? That's a bear. Where's the cat? Where's the cat? Find the cat.
Una, Kenzo's turn.
Correct. Where's the frog?
Put the small
Find the frog.
small one. What's that?
A bicycle.
Okay, got it? Good job. Okay, next. Oh, Juliana, what are we going to get?
Penguin.
Penguin and one more.
Snowman.
And igloo. Penguin and igloo daw.
No. Hey, it's not
And also a snowman. Get also the snowman.
great big snowman.
Oh, penguin and igloo.
Great snowman.
Yes. Okay.
Big penguin.
pag WH ka magiging we. Pag SH magiging she. Kapag KN magiging ni. Is this the? What is this? Is this the?
Yes.
Wrong. What do you call this? It's a? What's this?
It's a
Ni.
knee.
Ni. O, hindi the. Wrong yung answer mo. Erase natin. Go.